Junkie siyabonga sithi kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo. Welcome to it. This is the Rings and Bearings where we talk about the issues of life and more. Bari babuthale babuchabela that are wise that are coming from the east. Namhlanje ngiphethe nyawuthi yami. Ungayibona iveti kanje. Beyicha umentshisi le ngesikhathi se-IFP ne-ANC le ubonkati. Bacishe bakunquma chief. Nasi le story sakho lesi. Ngifuna siqale ngazo before sibabonisa. Kwenzakalani chief? Bekwenzakalani konje?
No, I think by that time bengisase ku ANC Youth League ne.
Yeah.
Zonal bengi secretary.
Yeah.
But then bekune sonto bathi Roma, so kulama activities amandi kwenzakala khona.
Yeah.
So bekuyimo party siyasa khona as a secretary ngiyavala. So one day ngibuye Foslowers yazi masikhula siyajola bo Foslowers kanjalo. So bengijahela meeting yabona. So siyehlela phana eLentuzana. Ikhadebe.
Yeah.
Siyehlela phana ikhadebe siyeza so. Ayinto yezimawuza ngase Everest so o sekwi Astron la yabona. So bekuyisiganga so. Mangizwakala so ngihamba ne-out yami so ngibone enye itrans yadlula uyazazi ma involved lento lezo zomsabalazo uba yabona
target
so idlule le moto le mayidlula ayingibheke phakathi but yabona ibheke ngithi le car le yadlula iva kancane kanje abantu bakhona bagcoke amba overall so yabona idlule yochika ngale ne ihlathi so yazi ukuthi umuntu mawuzazi ukuthi ayabona la mina ngihlala ngimehlumane yabo so ngithi no ibuye mase ibuye le moto le moto idlulile le yabo idlule nami ngithi ngithene ngifuna ukuyibheka so ne and angijampisi ukuthi ngiyibheka le moto yabo
mara uyifili le kahle
yabona
yeah
mangithi xa yabona iparabellum angithi ne light ne ngibone nje le out le emovie yehla parabellum ithi ayasho hey le out le yazi ukuthi ay mawuduthula program le outlet emayishaya one shot ngiyagijima ngilandela so ngiyazibuza mina ukuthi LS2 longena kuphi
no
ithi 2 ngithi yo LS3 longena kuphi hey 4 5 shukuse ngivela la kune Apollo gas khona yabona bisebumnyameni ibuye la out le ubuyele ekareni ayi ngithi mase sengithi ngiyavela lapha moto khona seyibalekile angasurvive engasurvive ukubona mawugijima lo muntu useduzana I want ukuthi wangimista kanje useduzana so ngiyazibuza makalibela abdubula ngiyezwa mana kuna bullet engenile la yanda ayikho you understand ayikho but but 1 2 libele ngiyazibuza ukuthi yo mhlambe khona ezongena by the grace of God ngizange ngena ukuthina
yes and bekuyisiphithiphithi
extension
2
yeah almost apana se Everest extension 2
lapho bekwenzakalani angithi nokuhlala phansi phela maseleni Rwanda cassette masendringa kuphela ukuthi abantu bafethu niyazi ukuthi sinokuya sihlupha da ubani wehit ubani ofuna iposition boyini konje secretary
secretary but lento lebeyihlangana nalento lezanza bo se hostel kanjalo yabo ngathi yabona bo IFP bo behlangana bengekho la kithi bengekho kithi
no angithi eqaleni beyinjalo phela bekunabantu ekuthiwa yibonda still remember abobaba uNkumane abobaba uNgumala abantu abakhawatheka around the times the violence because mawuthi Khatebe phela iKaslam stone throw away from da semngadi Khatebe extension 2 yona le question ekhona yi so njengoba bekuyile guru abantu abaningi abayazi kahle lento man ya tuka i-influence yakho yokungena entweni ze-politics and I know ukuthi episode is still all over people are not clear as yet ukuthi what am I trying to build here so lento yenza ukuthi nje uvela uthi ngiyongena emapolitikini nani uyiqala lapha esigele lento
mina ngiqala esigele ukukhosa I think I was 15 years old then besinabo ama-senior to bekabo Dumisantuli I think Dumisantuli and then may his soul rest in peace no Sokhayile amaza ngithi se legislature so by that time I was 15 years old then joining Khosasa was very young to finally very active so but that time fethu leadership behamba nokufa bengana lento ukuthi abantu balwela ukuba yi-secretary chairperson what bebazi ukuthi uzofa uzoboshwa so uthola ukuthi sometimes sizokhetha leadership ekhosas ne abengisasemncane sinabo let me say sizoyikhetha but only to find ukuthi siphelela sibuyi 15-10 akunamuntu athendayo bazokhethana yabona they were too forward abo sochayila highly respect them yabona bazokhethana bakhethane lo zoba yini suthi akunamuntu ozokhetha then isuke lapho executive yabona then it's when I move ku COSAS then ujampela ku ANC Youth League so by against Youth League there uba secretary deputy secretary ebekuyi udayile nguSoli Mapayila
the Soli Mapayila
went away
union
went away SACP benginaye lapho and then chairperson bekumoya Khwagai he's my comrade even now.
Manje uyaka kanjani uyihlika kanjani lento ngoba manje iGravy Train akukho ukuzisola ukuthi ebafethu labantu nabo bayahlafuna manje asibeke nje straight kuyahlafunwa manje
yabona one thing that I want to tell you mina mangena emzabalazweni I didn't know nothing bengena nje just ukuthi sibe right yabona sithole freedom sibe sharp njengabantu abamnyama yabona I never knew mina ukuzoba nabo mayor MEC what director general I never knew ukuzoba nento maybe bengithi nje siyalwa then we want to be free I want to siyalwa and then we want to be free bengithi lento ukuthi siyalwa but bengazi nokuthi kuzoba nento esifana nalezo opportunity ukuthi umuntu uzofuna ukuba yini ukuhlafuna I didn't know. But what I can tell you, Mina, if I knew, kube ngi something manje. Ngangazana.
Ujike phela the highest peak ngoba mayijika vele now before kuzongena bomazwaye and all of that wena ujike ku
Mina ithe mighty 1994. No 1994 imuva iyale imuva yaphambili is then I'm a former member is South African Youth Chamber of Commerce. Then I went to South African Chamber of Commerce. Then I went to NAFCOC. I'm an office ne SACOP. Then ngabachelo ukuthi mina ngifuna ukufoma youth. Then they said we are not the first person. There's a guy from Limpopo. Ephraim. And there's a guy from Eastern Cape, Uzama. So bazonginikeza amafoto ambasihlangane. We met at Pretoria next to Kgosi Mampuru prison. Kune McDonald lapho. Then we met and spoke. Ukuthi lento lesipusha kanjani. Yaphakama vele. But that time President NAFCOC beku Beef Mulife. I think you know Beef Mulife from Qwaqwa and nabo abantu bebangamazi total uMtsipe. uMtsipe bangamazi abantu. Ngoba uMtsipe uze wathatha from uBeef because bekune struggle sepower.
Ukhuluma ngeGrootman Beatrice.
Beatrice. Beatrice.
Tuka angakabi neUZ ingakathiwa
abantu bangangamazi. It's from Tuka yena definitely usebenzile. Usebenzele i-lighting in AFCOC. Wayiphatha because wayiphatha ngalesikhathi esibekine power struggle. Then wayiphatha waqhubekela phambili. Then only to find ukuthi sengiba close futhi nabo nangapha na ku SACOP abo Kevin Wickford. I think you know Kevin Wickford. We CEO SACOP wagcina ku CEO ye Daniel. Then I used to mingle around nabo ke nabo Maya Khan yabona abantu abanabo Ivan Lati yabona.
So lento lena njengoba sengikubona phela sina sihlangana nawe la ngaminyaka yethu nabo Spanchero nabo AJ. Uneimoto more than 20 chief. Thenga imoto zama 3.5 million. Ustrong egazi uyaduma eGrootman. So ibase or background yakho ibuya from la kulokumingila.
Ibuya from kulokumingila ngoba ngasikhathi eseyimoto man yazi uba excited usasemncane yonke into yabo. So it went to ukuthi siyenze ilontuzana i-lighting NAFCOC and NAFCOC and ne SACOP. Then kwaba ni benza inkonje bekuyi what is this? Ngikhohliwe le. Ngizokutshela yona bekuyi Marabhodi yazo Z2. Ikonje ngizoyikhumbula. I think uThabo Mbeki bekakhona lapho noMtsipe then we went. Then kwafika abanye abajita That's the moment that I regretted. Even now, I regret. Ukuthi why ngathathanga le opportunity. Kwafika abanye bajita from Japan, England, nase Kenya. Ne bafika bazobona i-riding organization yethu. Actually bebazele kule enough cock, yabona. Then they said they were happy ngami, yabona. Yabona ukuthi nokuthi uqonywa abantu nje. They said no, ba former junior world chamber all over the world. Ayikho. About junior world chamber. But sifuna ukuthatha uVainathi. Ngaleso sikhathi mina la I'm a deputy secretary. Bafuna ukuthatha uVainathi. Mina ngathi hayi mfowethu ngi1 ngithi jita and then kumnandi kasi. Yabona. So hayi mina ngihambe nalabantu. Hayi ngabadocha baze bavaya. But only to find kwabuya abanye abafana so there was a riding seminar bekuyi what in leadership shines through. Labafana laba babuya omunye bekangazi. Mababuya abafana bakhona itime labo. Bekuyi member of parliament yaseKenya. So itime labo lifrustana na no Cyril. Yaza ama politicians ayazana. So yibo ke angihlale nabo then siyenze lento le yibo nje bangenza ukuthi uCyril umjwayele nje kusho ukuthi uCyril hayi ukuthi umjwayele ukuba umngani wakhe ukusondela phambi kwakhe abantu useduzane Cyril abantu ufanele. And I still remember, even I regret now futhi enye into uCyril ang-advise athi look, iKenya inama flowers amahle all over the world. Business, if unga importa lama flowers lawo you can make money. South Africa ngoba akekho umuntu ongafuna ama-bloom ama-flowers waseKenya.
Landscaping,
yeah. Then I said okay sharp, but yadlula. Abantu ufana ngazenzela into zami ngithume ngazo, you see, ngazenzela ibhizinisi amazinto zami. Then isikhathi masiya ke onto find saying ba deep kakhulu ebhizinisini abantu ufana naleyo. So
we're interested in that because when our entrepreneur chief, business is more than 20, wenza le. But I want the one that emerged and a shiny spotlight in your life. And 10, obviously, bank account yakho. Ukuzuvuke kwaziwa because education sector until this very day. So how you made it? Kunabantwana besikele bayaphuma bazi ukuthi emfethu enza njani. Ubhale incwadi emfethu, there's a lot that you have done. So unje siyajaha mara you must just bear with us ekhaya. Igrotman ize nayo kahle lento.
Yes, you see. Mina I've started, let me start it. Mina ngaspana mangiphuma isikele. Ngaspana ku stationery shop. Ne. I was always an entrepreneur. And then ama opportunities bengikhona ukwabona and the barriers between ama consumers. Ethi ukutshela nje kancane. While I was young, bekunama hostels ne. Besiya siyothengisa ema-groundini. Ama-apule kanjalo nama-peanuts ne. Uthola ukuthi ema-groundini si-10 na si-10. Makwenzenye into ithi kimi no suka la ngoba khona abantu la e-hostel abangafostani idisk yakubo. Then ngishaya door to door laba babona ngishaya door to door hayi bathenga ngibuye sengicedile in 3 hours laba nje kuyoze kushaye the whole day bangakacedi ngoba i-competition yini ngibuye ngibhekelele ibhola sengicedile angitsheli umuntu. Uyabona, so mangibele ngikhula kanjalo ngibene isiphaza shop edladleni. So masiceda isigela, then I went to Landulazi, I went to St. Anthony's. I think you know St. Anthony's. Yabangazi abantu ba St. Anthony's. Yabangazi abantu bazongibona bangazi. Nalapha I was very active. No father bekangithanda kabi father Stan. Yabo. So mangisuke St. Anthony's ngibuye vula ibhizinisi ne isiphaza shop. Siphase abangani bami bonke baye emavazithi. Mina ngithi I don't. Esikolweni mina ngikhathele. Yabona, fike isipaka esame esinye singithathe sithi bafuna umuntu e-stationery shop. Ngisebenze stationery shop. Ngibona opportunity njengoba ngithi mina ama-opportunity ngiyawabona. Ngibona ukuthi no, abo-principal abaningi abase-spread bezala. And sebangijwayele, yabo. And bathenga la, yabona. And ekasi stationery shop, yabo. Ngivele ngistart ngikhulume nabo ngithi yazini mina ngizothatha i-leave one week leave ngizonidilivela yabona into efanele ningibhadale nge-riding ngemali school fees yabona isikole sharp starta kanjalo ke dilivela ngibadilivela yabona isikhathi masiya sengine very close relationship nabo. Then I've decided ukuthi ngiyeke.
Yeah.
Ngiyeke ngaye
Esipanini.
ngiyeke Esipanini.
Yeah.
Bangincenga endladleni yo. Bangincenga. Thama lami nomama. Awu mhlambe babona lo ehlanya lo. Ngithi hayi ngiyeke. Nasesipanini bengisipana sharp. Bangifonele bangincenga. Uthi manje siyabona ukuthi beku December mhlamba ukho sharp yabona iza uzosipana sizogana imali yabona. Ngathi mina la angisafuni. Ngifuna ukuzisipana. Ngibonile imbobo. Yaba hala ngibonile imbobo hayi ngiyayeka. So ukuthi mina ngisumuntu onobutsotsi yabona. Ngibe nginobutsotsi. Bengizothi labanikazi becompany okay ngigayeni nyuku bathi no sizokuboleka imali ngoba siyabona ngathi ushayekile ubuya ku December. Bengizothi ngigayeni ngasabuyi. Ngathi no that won't be a blessing yabona singahambe yabona asivulela ibusiness yami man abantu bacabanga ukuthi ngisangene even my friends you know but that time I was the first black guy ukenza leyo nto ne bekuyazi dominator the Jewish guys the Indians guy so mangifike ezikolweni ne angithi ezikolweni then you negotiate business and what yabona so ezikolweni futhi uyazi ukuthi abantu bazokudemoralize futhi bawuthi mawuphuma uzokuyahlekwa umuntu ufanele uzobanye bathi uthatha ama chance lo but I told myself that they are building my courage angeke ngiyeke yazi mina bengigeza endlini ngivuka ngingazi ngaphi ngithi maka ngihlali la endlini angihlali la ngazi ukuthi ngizoya but ngithi but la angihlali ngihamba mangicala ngene eTransbank starter uzobuka ama plan
My ideas.
yapi yabona at the end of the day hlangene yabona ngakhuphuka bayisela ama lawyer because corporate stationery there's corporate stationery people they don't know there's corporate stationery the school stationery yabona corporate stationery ama lawyer nana thenga bodaki yabona ngaqala lapho sengenza uma 5,000 10,000 25,000 80 yabona ifanele then till ngikhuphuka till kuze lento le bathi section 21 ezikolweni section 21 ifica mina ngilapha yana section 21 is whereby i-government inikeza iskola imali baziprocurela section 21 section 20 awuziprocureli so i-section 21 ithole mina ngilapho yabo wonke umuntu ozayo uza sekazi ukuthi ezikolweni kunemali ne-section 21 mara mina ngithole ngikhuba i-section 21 ngithola ngikhuba ngingana mali ezikolweni but ngikhuba ngizama ngithayi la ngizozama no ways yabo that's how I started my business yakhula nakhona I was very dedicated hence yabona abodakishawa ini mele umuntu ungathanda imali thanda lento oyenzayo bengithanda
Siyafunda chief.
thanda lento oyenzayo
Passionate, committed.
don't make money for exposure izokushaya uzothi after 8 months 9 months lento ayisebenzi thanda lento oyenzayo yabona uma uthanda yona awuboni ukuthi imali ayingeni understand awuboni but isikhathi masiya uzobona ukuthi yazi la ngathi kuyasebenzeka yabo because awubhekanga mali mina that's how I succeeded in this business yabo and then even one of the companies so which I cannot mention yagcina ngibiza ethi ifuna ngibe stationery specialist very big company I'm a specialist sabo ngoba bangilanda abacela ukwenza into bathi lento le isho ukuthi izawuba sharp emarketing lento le iso ngibatshe ukuthi izoba sharp le iso bangilanda I know
so equality ashore yabo
yabona ifanele so bangilanda eziningi yabona so that's how I started my business then so ngibona ke and the other thing mina program I don't want to tell you lies ne what I do it's only a concept ngenza concept ngokokotela ngithi scheme into so ngayenza so be right yabona ama companies nawo ngayenza so be right for nama department athize lento lo ngayenza so be right uyenza yabona so I don't know at some point abantu bebathi umuntu amathenda angazithenda mina I don't know even ukuthi form yakhona we complete kanjani futhi angiyifuni
wangikhumbuza uthi yethu uLebogitsane may so rest in peace and yafana ngathi nama twin no Gitsane hustler of notes mfethu yazuza nama notes la because abantu sebayithatha bayisale kumathenda kuyabuya
nole mina nole siphile so nole asazi mathenda and aswafuni singabafuni
Yeah.
yabona azane indabanyana yabona singafuni phela uLebo makavula ilento le yakhe amatshe eBataung bekuyimi speaker lapha
Oh.
bekuyimi imvulo yini
Hey man.
bekuyimi best friend yami uLebo phela uLebo angithi bekathengisa impahla enzani but mina ivule besihlala siyithuna kwami so
East Rand.
so ivulwe yimi
Yeah.
bengi speaker ivulwa yimi welcome abantu lapho yini yabona but surely for sure when I started abantu abanye bebona ngathi angisangene ayikho lento laba hence namanje khona ezinye izinto ngoba you look at ikola ngisebenze nazo and then I empowered a lot of schools mina I'm not a greedy person
Yeah.
akhele isikole ama classrooms akhele isikole ama libraries akhele isikole into eziningi and then people they were not aware ukuthi esikolweni sinemali yaso esingayiboni
Yeah.
mina ngabayenza babe aware
Yeah.
and then which I call it now in a project I call it skeleton money.
Yeah.
Skeleton money. People they can't see good money, which is skeleton money.
Yeah.
Maybe it's skeleton money. You go to churches like manje ngihambe my churches.
Yeah.
I want to empower my churches. Ukubonisa ukuthi phakathi lapho kunemali engayiboni.
Yeah, a circulator. Yeah.
Ikhona imali ecirculate ayiboni. And enganisebenzela. Uthi skeleton money.
Yeah.
Yabona ama church wonke ngawabiza ngenza ama presentation kwabonisa ukuthi look there's money here. And then sometimes abantu banokungale esontweni bangalela ukuthi esontweni bafuna imali. Of course bafuna imali esontweni. But there's money. And then people are not aware.
Let me challenge you. Mhlambe ngizokuthatha ngokunavigate nguse to the dark corner. Because corruption is very rife and corruption has become a center of our livelihood. Siphila every day, but you can't duck and dive. Ifane oxygen. Left and right uyangapha and awukhona ungena entweni without ukuthi sometimes jobs for sex yonke lenyaka. Le corruption in fact it disadvantage because the business yakho was flourishing of course.
Yeah.
But obviously there were limitations because of abanye abantu abakhuluta abangenayo DTG DG yonke lenyaka. Let's talk about some of the challenges that you faced.
Okay. Yabona ku business ne ama challenges wa faceayo akhosa corruption asibulala kakhulu thina yabona ngoba you end up as an entrepreneur so uyenza into engeke create ama jobs yabona because of corruption yabona because some people abenza corruption bafuna even if urane icompany yakho ngendlela so successful creating more jobs uzozibona mawulalela bona ingasekho leyo nto yabona ibulala umphakathi kakhulu ngoba ibulala ni job creation and what one thing that I also want to tell you yabona ayikuthi ngiyaphikisa but into amathenda mfoti it's a curse isibulele isizwe sasa South Africa ngoba it comes la abantu sebathi South African people are lazy yo asikho lazy that's thina sabulawa yini umcondo wethenda thina we are born entrepreneurial abantu base South Africa mfethu khona before kuba namathenda before the new dispensation khona abomama bebathengisa amahundi bakhona ukufundisa abantwana bodoctor namhlanje amahundi khona
Amakote
igele akhiphe buthiza amanesi amakote igele ama-sweet endlini ama-sweet namasimba ema-training akhiphini we were entrepreneurs into asibulala ikwani thema sokungena lamathenda wena unekhona lamatamati lina yonke into kudala lokusiphanela uyabona uma nguthi hawu nangu umuntu nje umuntu yamazi lo bekalizi uyabona nangisavela ngeMercedes bathu nethenda
pressure
bathu nethenda nini sikavela ngani bathu nethenda uyabona ukuthi uba demoralized you see uyabona uba demoralized ugcina sowuyekile ukuthi siyadlala into ebulale abantu South Africa ubona sekwabantu abangaphandle abathengisayo uyabona iyesibulele lento lokuthi nawe uyabona ukuthi hayi lana man ngiyadlala man lo mfana lo ana mawuthi uyozama lapha umathe ushayisa amabondo lapha uyeke nalapha so uyekile uvela uyayeka then bathi South Africans are lazy. South Africans are not lazy. They are only demoralized.
But now this construction mafia, because not only with construction, even la ukhona khona kule space, section 21, section 22, kunabantu abayicolonizile lento. Bayithathe lento bayibamba ngama turn up into yabo. Wazi kahle if kuthiwa ibillion, leyo nto leyo kune company egrotewane engathinteki namanje neyazi nani, because umuntu okhuphukayo yongena, whether ukhuphuka yongena as an MMC or as an MEC or as a premier, there's always that dash a vice ye corruption.
Yes. Ngoba really program ukhuluma iqiniso ngoba isikhathi masiya lento le iyavaleka kancane and inzuzo ubhlungu ngoba the more ivaleka abantu abayivalayo like ama mafias, they are only thinking about themselves. Abacabanga ukuthi senze ijob creation, yabona? Abayicabanga bazicabangela bona nje ukuthi as long the junk ingangena la. But if abantu bebacabanga ukuthi yazi mele si create imisebenzi before senza yonke into ngoba akukho lo corruption ngekho, yabona? But if we even nange the previous apartheid government bikhona yabona ifana, but beyihlonishwa,
manage,
yabona beyihlonishwa, imanage kahle, ihamba ngendlela right, you understand? So okwamanje singathi idisk nje ngathi ibhola, yabona? Ngathi definitely kumele ibe khona, yabona ifana into enye nemele ibe khona. Unfortunately, it's bad. Ngoba you look at sometime yabona sometimes disgruntled politicians, abangavayanga sharp, uba ikhansela, uba yini. Manje bagijimela kuphi la ezikolweni kuyoba bu-chairperson nabo ini yaliwa manje SGB
yaliwa. Enye into ke bengifuna uza kahle nayo ke manje lama school governing bodies man.
Not to say all of them manjalo, but yabona into mayibona ukuthi manje yashisiyeza yabona into ifana naleyo, and then I think government melize ngenye indlela. Even if ne SGB nabo Nascop abo Mr Matakane naye ngibuya kude naye Mr Matakane my start SGB Nascop I was there. Yabona yonke into mina Nascop my starter benginabo nabo yabona. So yabona into efana ukuthi each and everyone politicians, all these political parties ne maba disgruntled ukuthi abathola ngama position abakhona bagijimela lapha yabona, and ngamosheka lapha. Understand? And then we can't create more jobs now.
But let us unpack the office, in fact, because now you are talking to a certain office, whether ukhuluma a circuit or a district, or a province or national, but there is an office administrator laphan. Let's talk from an MMC level. Yabo? Bese sihamba sithola umuntu ezothiwa chief of staff la. Ibuya from education. Imosakala kuphi le nto la, because bonke labantu are empowered by a department. Angeke bangene SGB khona ioperate escale nani. Which is that body that regulates land? Because kumosakala kanje ngine pension ngihambe igele zonke lezi ngikhuluma nengozi parafsini ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uthola la ngathi kune friction ne conflict. Why ile power SGB uyasuka yena kuche sekayo influence udeputy ukuthi no principal mela aphume sizokwazi ungena sizodla le mali wena usebenze ngayo. I want us to unpack land abantu babe clear ukwenzakala.
Yabona I don't want to tell you lies, ezikolweni kunokungena abantu abawrong for their personal gain, personal interest. Once kwangena umuntu onjalo and lento leyo allow abazali. You understand? Abazali mele niphe let me say accounting officer isikolo as a principal, and then the governors, which is the SGP. Mele labantu laba bamonitorwe like abazali. Yabona ufana ukuthi baspanisane, yabona. Once yabona mayinjalo izobonakala makukhona umuntu osuka oyongena lapha esikolo for personal gain. Ngoba sometimes abazali aba attend my meetings, sometimes they're too ignorant, and what I want to tell you bro, ngihlala ngitshela abazali ngithi yazini ekseni mangibabona bayisa abantwana ezikolweni bamba ngezandla baya nabo bayabalanda. Ngithi yazini the most important thing ukuthi nibe interested ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi esikolweni. Yabona? Hayi ukuthi
badampa nje.
Hayi udampa umntana bese umbeka ubona ngathi mhlambi mele the most important thing ukuthi kwenzakalani mangumshela la phakathi kwenzakalani. That's how mfethu education yethu izoba right. Yabona? Because abazali badampa umntana bahambe nje makuthiwa SGB meetings, they don't attend.
yeah.
Yabona? If they attend, if they attend, into ezinjalo zingaphela. Sometimes ukunokuthi kukhethwe umuntu as SGB chairperson, ne? Like abe ku committee, but sometimes abanye abantu bayamazi ukuthi akekho right. Yabona? But nothing that they can do. Abanye abantu like abanye abantu were outnumbered, yabona? And people didn't attend a meeting about elections. But if people can attend, but attend yonke lento le ingaphela yabo. If they can attend, ingaphela ngoba even if the district nayo self yabona mele isemisane nabazali yabona ishuthi ithemba labo libe kubazali. So once i-district mayihenga i1 and nabazali ngapha bayenza ispan yabo into efana sibenzakala lezi zinto lezi ubheke next year ama elections oma SGB
isiphithiphithi.
yo
You don't get the episode because I found namanye and we learn kuma episodes and sifuna into ezi different. So asike sikhulume ngawe njengobula ukuthi ama interventions, because sometimes we can cite the problems, highlight the problems, so gcina sinamadlanga commission sihleli sikhuluma egcineni mase kuphuma ama verdicts asatshelwa nokutshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So njengawe njengomuntu one history ne past yakhona and une experience yalento le, I want us to get into ama solutions from ama problems owajumpile. Yini those problems owajumpa labantwana babhanki ikole emasilingini yonke lenyakanyaka? What are issues okowazicite wena from ekoleni?
Well, let me tell you, yabona there's one story esihlekisa kwesinyisikole ne. Lentwana le bengeze esikolweni ne. Only to find lentwana lena one day eclassini labo. Kanti lentwana lesihlala esilingini nabangani bayo. Bayafunda ila isilingi. Silingi hawa. Mayiwe silingi on to find kunabantu abahlala la. You understand? Yabona lapho seyibuya kuphi? Ibuye bazalini.
Yeah.
You understand ukuthi umntana ukuphi?
Ish.
Yabona ufana.
Yeah.
Hence nalento ukuthi umzali ukoma ne late coming injani ikolweni zabantu abadala.
Kuraf yeah.
Kuraf.
Ngo8 bayazula.
Bayazula. Lento le ibuya kumzali. Mawubona umntwana ngabe isikole singena ngo 10 to 8. Umntwana ngo 22 kana gqoka. Uthini? Yabona? Should start education serious.
Yeah.
Yabona if ngathatha education serious.
Yeah.
Angeke mfethu sibe ne country epoor. Angeke bese ne country estruggle nge-economy.
Basics.
Because of what? Because of wabona mawufuna ukuthi umntana angabe umthwalo wakho. Unforced esikolweni. Mgada esikolweni. You understand? Mgada. Once wamgada. Once wayisigele. Mfethu angeke akuhluke.
We
University manje mawumyeka.
Yeah.
Uzodla i-ride yini? Bathi ndende.
Ama 350.
Uzothi umndende wakho wena uyobe mhlawumbe sona uma 70 ukhola 2000. Uyomela umsabote futhi lapho.
Yeah.
Kanti uma serious nge-education yakhe.
Uyamphusha.
Yabona ufana and people are not aware. Yabona? Are not aware. Into eziningi mina bengisponsor ezikolweni nabantwana abayabo ma varsity bengibasponsor.
Yeah.
Abantwana like sports bengibasponsor eziningi.
Yeah. So let's talk about part of the packages. Ngoba manje yabona mawukhuluma phela mele sibuye sifake ne-exhibit, sifake evidence, sifake proof. Mawuthi ukhuluma ngama hampers, what exactly were you packaging and were you selling egele? Because ukhuluma nje stationery in general. Omnye umuntu akazi ukuthi kune pack mhlambe.
Yeah. And then esikoleni sithengisa like from grade R up to grade 12.
Yeah.
And then especially grade R ngibathengisela ama educational toys.
Yeah.
Which is very good ukuthi umntana aqale ngama educational toys. Grade R. Then grade 1 up to grade 12 we do packaging like iskola sizokunikeza i-riding roll. I-roll esikole ukuthi nabantwana bayi 2000, 1000 wena from le roll leyo wenza umntana omunye nomunye ipheka. Yabona? And nale system le ize ngami. Ekolweni ngoba ekolweni bebathi sifuna let me say stationery say about 200,000. Ne? Usilethe sinjalo.
Yeah.
Kube chaos. January vele bavula ama-box bayenzeni babale banikeza abantwana. So mina said no, nikezeni irole abantwana ukuthi nabantwana bengaki from grade 1 up to grade 12, then niyenza ama-needs analysis ngama-grade, then mina zize seziphekiwe, then nginiphekele zona ne. It's fine. And futhi kukhona nalezi uthola ukuthi isikole asinamali sharp ezimele zi-augmentwe abazali, yabona. So ngitshela abazali ukuthi no, lama list lawa baninikeza wona esikoleni niwanike mina, yabona. So mina ngizowa-deliver door to door njengoba ngenza, yabo, because ezinye izinto abazazi abazali, yabona. Abazazi abanye abazali izinto ukuthi le yini ungena la uphuma la ufuna into ungena. Mina I'm a specialist ngazo zonke into, yabona. Mayinika mina nje child.
Oh, let ipheke
let ipheke.
Uyazi ukuthi umntana waka grade 12 udinga ini nani ezomlasta for how long?
Yes.
Right. And asitouch kuphela lama packs nani. Ku-uniform deep kakhulu. What do you do ku-uniform?
Uniform abadip, yazi uniform yaqala umama mkudala kabi, umama I think ayaqala umama she's 83. But makaqala mhlawumbe ayaqala nabo 25 years.
Yeah.
Bekasebenzela i-company bekathi Jameson Clothing.
Yeah.
Jameson Clothing. Bayazi abantu abaningi abogogo naye.
Yeah.
Yeah, nabekathunga umama wami lapho, yabona. Then makaphuma she was very entrepreneurial, nami ngathatha kuyo, yabona. So senza uniform, school uniform. And what I want to advise kubantu bethu, ngifuna iligazi. Yabona ngiyabatshela ngithi as SGP asenze into enelegazi, yabona. Khona manje let me say isikole si1 masibheke esikoleni i-uniform yakhona ina 50 years bale bayigcoka, abazi nokuthi yayenziwa ubani, abazi nokuthi yadesign ubani, mara they are happy. Kanti manje masenze iligazi SGP setshintsha le uniform, sishaya yethu. Nakusasa even after 30 years ushonile umzukulu wakho uzosho ukuthi le uniform le ayenziwa umkhulu wabo, bekuyiphathi yayo.
So, but what will be the significance? Because you cannot fix what is not broken. If Gucci comes with a design, I think the only thing abazoyenza is facelift kuphela, not to change the whole entire thing. So, mawuthi mhlambe you want to reinvent the wheel, and perhaps akusiyo lento edala corruption. Because remember, it's like now wanting to change street names. There are street names as exist. Mhlambe mawuthi no, let the city Kobas, let city Kukemur. Say I understand. We are obviously profoundly kunabantu ababo stalwart, you know, people who fought for liberation. Abo Mamu Nomzamo, Mamu Winnie Mandela. You understand?
Yes.
So you understand with Masektua, no. Ear changer, whether lay Bears not there, whether lay William Nichols, but there is an understanding behind. It's not easy to change into institutional memory. So why would we change uniform?
Hence I'm saying to you, Tina Butaka spend the legacy.
Yeah.
You understand? Because lay uniform lay in 40 years. Asazi and so bad. You understand? But if man just ngahlala phansi as a committee, mina scheme GP no ban sit no, okay, like whether it's say uplifter or mhlambe siyenza i-design entsha yithi yabona ukuthi ine legacy sekazi ukuthi yayenzwa SGP ethize 19 bani, yabona it's a legacy.
Oh, nibe ne claim to fame nani ukuthi kunento
sayenza
something.
And then you money SGP nibe tangible things, yabona ufana ukuthi science into so even if nomzukulu wakho anizoba umtshela makaphuma ukuthi yazi bengiyiphathi yokudesigner le.
But why sesingasana abantu abaphilayo Grootmane yes bazothi scheme yahlanya ngoba siyaphefumula sonke. Ngikhuluma umuntu ophilayo. Uprincipal abengikeleza khona bekusefumana comprehensive high school uJeff Sibeko.
uJeff bekusapula kakhulu.
Leya timer until this very day. No, we chat, would speak. Beka vayile via organ ubuyile usemgadi. So lela timer beningaze niye because abantu bebavele babona masabahlulekile ukulwela abacampaign lento yakhe badala babuthwele chief. There is no way angavela lo yamadala kugcwala istrata. Baphi labo leyo quality yalabo t-shirt nabo principal.
In fact, we need equality final leyo. Yabona? And then I think lento lemfoti mele ibe both side. Ne? Ekhaya nasesikolweni. You understand? Ngoba manje ilife yethu changeile zabotaki. Yabona? Ngoba uprincipal uzoba uprincipal onjalo. Ne? Umntana then from there ayenzeni afike ekhaya. Atshela umama abuye azothi uprincipal. Kanti eqaleni bengeke uzicomplain nabo. Bebazothi awuwe nenkinga. ekhaya yabona ufanele
mabathi umzali mangezi bahlala ekhaya ungezi
Ngihlala
abazali bamanje bathi babhizi bona
yabo bathi babhizi
umuntu and abasebenzi leso sikhathi awazi babhizi ngani
ngasikhathi lesana bowuzozula mhlambe 2 days uzula estradini uzumtshela umama wakho baba kuthi uyafuneka le yabona mawufika lebathi asina 3 days angeze esikoleni ubuyaphi yabona ufanele uthola unasekhaya mawufika sokusibhaco esinye so that lento lethi izwayibenikeza abo principal ama powers ukuthi
amandla
baba mabhuyezi yabona ngoba bazi ukuthi bane support nangali
so angitshele kwashintshaphi ukuthi abantu manje bazicommit you know when you pay for something ine value yakhona you know if these cameras zithengwe ngemali uzobona ngekit yakhona nayo yonke into ukuthi no la ithathwa serious land but umuntu into angayisipanelanga kuvele kube leyo nto ilento engiyibona ngalomjolo wamanje baloku bathi hey yonke into is transactional whatever it's a problem because why ngibuza lo mbuzo ngiyakuphi na the question yami thina besiphuma ama trip ngeyigele already lakho mfethu bemele lipaquze time bemele lilwe ukuze kuhlangane and bebazoyoboleka benzeni ukuthi umntwana ifike ihafa isigele before kuqalwa unyaka sibeka something phambili manje yonke into esimahala mara yonke into iprop iflop substandard grand yini kumele yenzeke ngoba ngiunderstand ukuthi ilento yokuthi government ithathe ama powers kuma educators nama teachers ukuthi abasashawa kusana corporal punishment ngifuna ama solutions manje njengoba sesivale episode ukuthi what could really be done because I'm very passionate ke mina ke about the future because I don't think ukuthi manje currently in this country khona umuntu ovayikele njengami and angithi arguably bangaya bafike bayocheck abantu le wall of fame le gcwele ikolo abantwana besikole abantwana babo mama nabo baba bahlela inganandaba nabo abanye abantwana bami mina bonke bangiyara I know I'm a man on a mission yini esingayichange kulombuzo engobuzayo
wabantu esingayenza program ukuthi parents should take responsibility parents before sikhuluma ngegovernment ne-SGB wabona if ama-parents angathatha responsibility ukuthi yithi aba in charge yabo into efanele noma igovernment ingathini once ama-parents athi yithi esi in charge la yonke into kungaba right yabo ngoba okwamanje angithi ama-powers amaningi babathathela abo-principal babathathela ama-educators yabo into efanele but ama-powers kakhulu ala kubazali yabona but abazali if bangathatha education yethu serious in such a way ukuthi yazi mina nokwata ngibona labantwana laba esikolweni ngizoshenye into baya esikolweni Saturday Sunday ngama school holidays ne what I can tell you abantwana bebelungu abaya esikolweni Saturday Sunday makabathola ama
khuluma enye politics
bathola ama distinctions ubu serious bakho you understand ngiyababona bayabangwatisa ngithi yazi laba gcula ukudlala ungabona ngithi umuntu bayela mara into ekhona mele siba understandise the importance ye education yabona lento ekangeni
but ibuyela back to lento engiyikhulumayo lithi ungakhohle into eyikhulumayo remember I said to you where you pay for value and you know the value of things, the value of money. But where you are given freely, bavele batabamba into uyayiwaste noma kanjani uyiphiwe mina lento bengincanywa ngiyayithenga whether isudu yami ngithenga ngo500 ngithenge kwaMakhams somewhere or ngithenge wherever mara mangugayo yona because uyiphiwe ngenze ungayiphathi njengami mina ngidlisa i-dry clean angeke ngiphinde right wangazi uyanderstand asiye ke kuma Saint schools Saint schools chief akudlalwa ra chief mabathi 120,000 school fees per year uzowa attend ama meetings wakhona ye chief school gile chief phethe ikhanda lamadolo lawa yaxeka inhlebe ezimhlophe yilo belungu abadlali chief abadlali bengiyokhuluma no Mavesto Sylvester siye in one of the Saint schools azathi kimi skemu uyafohloza mfethu uyokhuluma manje kuma Saint uprincipal beyangathi believe kahle ukuthi lo mjita angeza nento but safika siyokhuluma neintwana but drugs substance abuse gangsterism bullyism early teenage pregnancy because ngale inkinga yakhona kube le ndaba yama drugs because lentwana zine access but I discipline bashama jaza mhlophe Grootman mawufika la hello ma'am hello sir ngena ngaphi uyekuphi kuphi angifuni ubiza amagama ekolo bazongigwatela hey ubathole gate baromentsana 7:30 ekseni
mfethu nkwade nkwade ngithi yabona lana akusana similo akusana respect and lento le izoba leadera ukuthi labantwana bangabe educated yabona ngoba baboni isidingo ngoba ithi ngwele esikhathini sethu mawukhuluma ngevalue yokubhadala ini lento le ibuya ku respect from ekhaya then nasesikolweni ngalesikhathi lesiyana yakhumbula bekunelento le yabo age limit and what
Yeah,
when I started to ukuba ku courses and yakhona besenza isikolweni bekubhadalwa yakhumbula sibhadala school fees sikhumbula
Yeah,
uma 80 rand
Berhaf, yeah.
beningi yakhumbula 80 rand besenzani ngifuna ukubonisa ngabe senzani sibhadale ne
Netex busigibela ngemali yakho.
yeah sibhadale ne mazithi sibhadala January mazithi end of March sifuna imali yethu sayatoyitu yakhumbula
Kahle, yeah.
mabasinikeza imali yethu but still isikole sisazosithatha serious you understand
Yeah.
and ubheka ukuthi into enjani yazi mina ngithi bengiphika njalo mama mathi wena bathi esikoleni ukhipha abantwana emaklasini wenza ngithi hey mina angikhula bangiyazi lento leyo
Yeah. Yeah.
bengiphika
Yeah.
angiyazi lento leyo ngikho lapho ngesikoleni
Discipline bowazing your shower.
ngiyosha ade man bathi wena so ngithi hayi
Good man, beautiful conversation.
Yeah.
Asivala ukutshela nje ukuthi manje mhlambe future endeavors anything. I know ukuthi you are doing concerts eziningi lento zenzayo.
Yeah.
Ngapha bomagogo ngapha phela
Yeah.
into ongayenzi wena.
Yeah, I
So
couldn't
what's in it for the community nabantu abafuna ukujoina nawe if akunama numbers la uyakhona bona ama shop la ema Captain Park bona
Yeah.
ama shop eAl Road wenza yonke le yama into yama uniform utholakala kanjani?
ya ngitholakala my number is 071
Yeah.
416 1837
Nice one.
Sanchez Mazibuko
Sanchez Mazibuko.
Yeah,
That's
Sanchez
right.
Mazibuko. Yeah,
So,
so
what's
but-
the entity, name of the entity business?
Muruwaganso
Yeah. Oh.
so baba bangayicheka na ku e-riding i-Facebook
Yeah.
bayicheke na ku WhatsApp
Yeah.
ngakhulu ngithi ngihlala ngisema meeting
Yeah.
na ku WhatsApp ngoba sikade ukuvula nenye i-warehouse la e-Albertine
Yeah.
nje warehouse
Yeah.
yabona mele sovule enye warehouse concerning lento le skeleton money yabona that's where ngifuna
Oh, yeah,
ukufundisa
yeah.
that's where ngifuna
La
ukufundisa
usevisa abantu
abantu
khona.
abaningi ukuthi
Yeah.
imali ikhona
Yeah.
ngifuna ukufundisa namasonto ukuthi imali ikhona
Yeah.
let them phone me
Yeah.
I will come and present ngibathi ukuthi khona imali ngizoletha nabantu abanye ngibenzele imali basho ukuthi khona imali kubo ababoni
South Africa, that's how we wrap it up. Thank you very much for taking your time and listening to us as you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share. Sengithola into eziningi kule Grootman when you see me going around the schools ngithola kwama package nini kunama ball pen kule office i200,000 masithi back to school campaign if unesikolo ufuna siyosibusisa earlier on I had a guy who came here uphethe isiphathu esenziwe la sibiza ukuthi isigela school shoes so we've got hundreds of thousands of pairs where we want to invest in education nabantwana benu ke until the next episode uNkulunkulu omusa angigcinele nina keep well and stay blessed salute yeah